Why is Nandi still waiting for Shiva's darshan in Kashi? And did you know there's a place in Kashi believed to hold the water of divine knowledge? Let me tell you why this place is powerful. Once Lord Shiva came along with Parvati riding on Nandi to a certain place. Enchanted by the beauty of that location, Shiva got down from Nandi and stepped onto that land. 15 kilometers in every direction, transformed into a beautiful, divine, and sacred region upon Shiva's touch. This is how Kashi was born. The Kashi Khanda of the Skanda Purana describes this in detail. A divine being named Ishana enters the sacred land of Kashi. There, amidst a heap of vegetation, he notices a Shivalinga. Desiring to perform Abhisheka to the Linga, he digs the ground with his trident, and a stream of pure sweet water emerges. When Ishana performs Abhisheka to the Shivalinga with this pure water, Lord Shiva becomes pleased and asks him what boon he desires. Ishana asks that this place should become the most sacred Kshetra and that there should be no other place equal to it. Shiva immediately grants the boon, saying, "From your effort and my divine touch, this well has attained special power. Hence, the water represents the form of knowledge. From now on, this water will be known as Jnanatirtha, and the well containing this water will be called Jnanavati." And he blesses him. It is said that Kashi Vishwanatha resides in this very place. However, due to the mosque that stands there today, the original darshan of Vishwanatha is not possible. But right there, Nandi is facing Shiva and has been waiting for centuries for his darshan. If you know the different names of Kashi, do comment below. We will continue to introduce Kashi and other divine places. Stay connected with us.